If you own a Can-Am Spyder F3, F3S, or F3T, and you're looking to add a bit more storage space for your next ride, we've got some great news. We now offer a bolt-on luggage rack from the team at SE Performance. This rack is powder-coated black to withstand the elements and mounts easily by using the two bolt hole locations on the side of each passenger grab handle. The luggage rack platform measures 18 inches at its widest point and 13 inches at its narrowest, with a total depth of 13 inches. The perimeter of the rack includes 6 tie-down points, making it simple to secure your favorite storage bag. If enhancing the storage capacity on your Spyder F3 is on your mod list, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. And feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Can-Am Spyder. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.